Yo, what is up guys, it is CRPHD back with another video, and in today's video I actually did pick up the Oculus Go. Now I am currently trying to get a review going for this headset, but I thought what better way to test the performance and how well this thing holds up than with a little bit of gameplay. So it sort of is just a little win-win situation. I get to test the performance and as well as just give y'all a little bit of gameplay and see what the Oculus Go is like. So without further ado, let's hop into the gameplay and see how it holds up.
Wow. We have this huge, very detailed looking place. But I think this is sort of just like the game wise. It's where we infiltrate a base and just shoot these different types of robots. That's what I believe the game description said. I'm going to go ahead and put this one because I believe there's a lot of shooting and movement involved. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this, y'all. Are there like things around me? The heck? Oh, bro, everything is so detailed. So now I'm getting shot at. What the heck? Oh boy. Am I gonna have to kill? Oh no, this is my robot. This is my robot. Hold up. Bro, it feels like I'm in Transformers, not even gonna lie. Okay, so another thing that I noticed about this headset is that there are speakers right here. So this isn't completely new, but basically it gives you a more immersive sound. Like you don't actually have to use your own headphones since there are actually built-in speakers onto here, which is really cool, and I really appreciate that Oculus did that. So I guess my robot is out there fighting for me. Cool. Bro, is someone getting an electric chair, bro? Oh. The heck? I knew I saw. What the heck? Mission update. Eliminate the leader base. I don't know how to pronounce that. So am I supposed to shoot him? Buddy, I don't necessarily want to do this to you, but I mean, what the? Oh, what the heck? What the? Whoa, when did you get here, buddy?
I got on Jesus sandals, hey.
What the heck? What's going on? Hey. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What the heck? Mission update. Target eliminated. I didn't even shoot him. Let's get in, I guess. Hey, man, come here, boy. What's going on? Yeah, I didn't even see him. Reload. Oh my, ow, oh. Okay, so my camera did ended up cutting out part of the video, but I'm just pretty much gonna just tell y'all what happened just as I finished the game. So I ended up meeting this giant metal robot that pretty much tried to kill me. We successfully defeated him, but slowly towards the end of the game, as we pretty much thought, or I thought that the game was over, it finally said eliminate any witnesses or anything like that. But sadly, as soon as I turned around and I saw a gun pointed at my face, I knew what time it was. Just when I thought we was gonna run off in the sunset together and that was gonna be the happy ending, I mean, we almost just died by each other's side. Come on.
With all that said and done though, guys, I really gotta say I did enjoy my time with the Oculus Go. It's a great headset and I look forward to spending more time with it. Overall, just with my first impressions, I really liked it, and just stay tuned for that review coming very soon. But either way, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.